Welcome to the product introduction of OptiTech adapter designed by our company. The first generation OptiTech adapter designed by our company is shown on the left-hand side. Now, we install the Hardened connector on the adapter. As you can see, the connection point of this adapter will protrude when the connector is pushed in. And the port can move up and down, which also leads to insufficient connection stability. To solve this problem, we optimize the port structure of the second generation OptiTech adapter and fix the port position on the higher spot point. Which effectively eliminates the loose phenomenon and ensures a stable connection effect. In addition, in order to meet the need of more customers, we designed the mini OptiTech adapter. In this version, we optimize the knob diameter and overall structure, which is very suitable for outdoor pre-connectorized terminal boards with small diameter. To ensure continuous technical improvement and design optimization, we are committed to providing customers with higher quality adapter products to meet the use needs of different scenarios. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to our product bringing you a better use experience.